Need some extra cash? Try making money online. Do you know people who make money online? Do you wonder how they do it? If so, you are not alone. Lots of people are trying to figure out how to make the most of their online activity. This video will provide some excellent suggestions to help you begin your online endeavors. Think about what you are good at when thinking about making money online. Is writing something you succeed at? Market yourself personally as a content provider. Is graphic design something that you excel at? A lot of folks might hire you for website or document projects. If you want to succeed, know thyself. Take a look at survey work. Lots of online survey opportunities exist. They're fun and easy. Some do not pay very well. But the great thing about them is that you can do them while watching TV or during other free time. Put the money in savings and you will see it grow over time. Sell some of the junk that you have around the house on eBay. You do not have to pay to set up an account and can list your product any way that you want. There are many different training sites that you can use to get started the right way on eBay. Do you love to write? Are you finding it difficult to locate an outlet for your creativity? Try blogging. It can help you get your thoughts and ideas out, while also earning you a little money. However, to do well, make sure you blog about something you are both interested in and that you know a little about. That will draw others to your work. Once you have followers, you can bring in advertisers or start writing paid reviews. You can be among those who profit from working online. Use the ideas that were just presented to you. Soon, you will discover that you are able to make a steady income. Start with the suggestions that are the easiest and build your way up to working on all kinds of tasks. Affiliate marketing is a sure way to get some extra cash. But there is better than just selling other people's products. You can sell your own products and make affiliates help you to also sell them. How can you achieve this? Pay close attention to the opportunity I will introduce to you. I will show you a site where you can download more than 12,500 digital products. They are all private label products. You can download, edit them, own them, and sell them to keep 100% of the profits. The digital products concerned include marketing software, ebooks, video courses, tutorials, articles, photos, templates, etc. The very good news is that you can start downloading for 100% free. With the free membership, you can download up to 500 products before deciding to upgrade for premium, where you will spend only $67 for a full year membership. Click the link in the description to register and access for free today. As you download the digital products, you can create your own affiliate program and recruit affiliates to sell them for you. In so doing, your profits will skyrocket by more than 1000% plus. Click the other link in the description to access a platform that will show you how you can create your own affiliate program.